So we have an actor which has a static mesh in, and in that static mesh are two materials, the fabric material and the wood material. I have a HUD which at the moment is generating a set of random colours every time I start. That can of course be defined colours, but I was just curious to sort of see how these chairs looked in all sorts of colours. In that HUD we have a drag drop operation. So when I select one of these boxes and drag with the mouse, left mouse button down, it's creating a visual drag item that is under my mouse, and then when I let go, there's a line trace from the position of my mouse on the screen directly projecting forwards, and if there's an actor under that line trace, getting a bit close there, if there's an actor under that line trace, then the colour that I've selected, the linear colour information, collision got in the way, the linear colour information which I'm taking from that, I'm then applying to a colour vector parameter value as a dynamic material instance in the fabric colour of that chair mesh. One other thing that I'm doing is now every time I roll over, you'll see that the outline colour is relevant to the fabric colour, and that that updates when I update the colour, and that's just a material parameter collection that's being updated as I am pipetting over the colour like that, pipetting, dropping the colour over, but then also just on mouse over, before I turn on the render depth pass to give us the outline effect, I'm just getting that linear colour vector parameter that we set and quickly changing the material parameter collection to that colour again before making the outline visible. So it's a bit of sleight of hand, and that just kind of keeps going. So this is just a concept for a WebGL interface where you can just sort of create colour sets and sort of see how the range and the colours in that range can play around. Now I could have another set of different woods, so every time I dragged on a different wood it would update the legs, but by showing you how I've done the fabric you'll be able to work out the rest. So let's dive into the blueprints.